Come back to our master JavaScript course. Let's start immediately and dive into another essential loop in JavaScript, the do-while loop. Before start, check the for in, and the while loop videos in the channel to get familiar with the loops in JavaScript. Hit subscribe button if you haven't yet. Let's keep going with the do-while loop. It's similar to the while loop, but there is a crucial difference between them. It executes the block codes at least once before checking the loop's condition. This means that the block code will run once and the loop will continue executing as long as the specific condition remains true. Let's see how the do while works with an example. In this example, we initialize a variable I to 0. The do while loop will run the block at least once, regardless of the condition. Inside the loop, we perform a desired operation, such as printing value of I, then increment I using I++. After the code block runs, the loop checks the condition if I is less than 5. If the condition is true, the loop will be continue executing and repeat the code block. The loop will stop only when the condition becomes false. Let's have another example. In this example, we initialize a variable num and set it to 100. The loop can increment number by 5 in each iteration until the condition becomes false. The loop will stop when the number is greater than 100. The do-while loop is handy when you wanted to ensure that the code block run at least once, regardless of the condition. It becomes useful in scenarios when the loop condition depends on the initial state of variables. Now you have learned the do-while loop in JavaScript. Keep exploring our master JavaScript video playlist for more exciting concepts and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy coding!